Just drop my phone. What's up YouTube, Saf here on SuperSaf TV and welcome to episode number 18, I think it's 18, of Unboxing Time, mystery unboxings of cool tech. Now remember, if you want to pick any of the items up featured in this video, they'll all be linked in the description below, and if you want to send something yourself, we have an open PO box and that address will also be in the description below. Now I apologize about my voice because I've got some sort of bug. I was ill and then I went okay again, and then now I've caught another bug. There's too many bugs going around. I think I should just hibernate and just stay at home. But anyway, let's get straight to it. So lots of boxes. We're gonna clear up a few bits here so we've got more space on this small table, and then we'll start unboxing. Let's go for it. Right, so we have a bit more space now, so we'll go ahead and open this one up first. What is this? Oh, haha, I know what this is. This is the Doogee I was just about to call it the Doogee Mi Mix 2, but it's not the Doogee Mi Mix 2. It's the Doogee Mix 2 Mini Plus Max equals Mix. It's the champagne gold 6 plus 64 GB, so I'm assuming that means 6 gigabytes of RAM and 64 gigabytes of storage. I covered the Mix 1 as well as I think it was the Doogee S8, if I'm not wrong, in a previous video. If you want to see that video, then that's going to be linked in the cards. Doogee makes some very budget devices, offering some pretty interesting features. So this is the gold one of their newest offering. So here's what we get inside the box. We've actually got a hard case which has a bit of a soft feel to it. We've got some paperwork, we've got a charger, we've got a USB Type A to USB Type C cable, a USB Type C to 3.5mm headphone jack converter. That means this does not come with a 3.5mm headphone jack. And we've also got a micro USB to USB Type C converter as well. And then there's also a soft screen protector, so you do get quite a bit here inside the box. And the phone itself, I mean, it does feel quite heavy. I'm not sure how much weight it is, but it's quite got a bit of heft to it, so it is quite thick. I'm assuming that's because it's got a decently sized battery in here. Dual camera setup with a fingerprint scanner here at the back. The screen is almost 6 inches and it's already got a screen protector applied, which is a nice touch. Bezels are quite small for this device, so we've got very minimal bezels on the sides, and we just got top and bottom strip. You guys might remember with the Mix 1, there was just a chin, but the rest of it was quite minimal in terms of the bezels. Now I'm just quickly looking over some of the specs. So yes, it is almost a 6-inch display, a 4060 mAh battery. That kind of explains the extra weight as well as the thickness, but that's a huge battery. Just drop my phone. Now it is a full HD plus display, so it's an 18:9 aspect ratio. It's actually got dual front-facing cameras, both 8 megapixels, and we've got one with an 88 degrees angle of view and the other with a super wide 130 degree angle. The dual cameras at the back, one is 16 megapixels, the other is 13 megapixels, and then we've got this glass back with the metal frame, and the back also comes with a protector on top of it, so that's quite nice. In terms of the price, I believe the last time I checked it's going for around $200 to $250, so still quite a budget device for everything that you're getting. I'm going to be leaving a link below if you're interested in picking one of these up. Next we'll grab this one here. What is this? Vava. Oh, it's a dash cam. Vava dash cam. I really wasn't expecting this, so this is a surprise. Got a little thank you note here, nicely arranged little packets. And this is everything that you get inside the box, laid out here on the table. A very long cable, which is really nice, so you can kind of have this running around your car, and then you've got USB power. You also get a dual USB charger, so you can have this inside your cigarette lighter, use one USB port for this and another USB port for maybe charging your phone. This bit here, which I'm not exactly sure what this is for, and then you've got lots of little adhesive pads for the cable when you run it across. And this is the camera. Looks pretty decent. I believe it does 1080p at 30 frames a second. We've got a holder which is going to go onto your windscreen, and then this is magnetical, so it goes onto here. Thank you, Vava, for sending this over. Next up, we have a box from Spigen. Wonder what Spigen have sent. Oh, okay. It's not cases. So we've got 4 products here. We've got 2 car mount holders, and then we've got 2 wireless headsets. Interesting. Now, I believe the car mounts are quite similar. We've got one black, we've got one white, and it's got a bit of a mechanism here, so you can just put your smartphone in here and it should just snap into place. Look at that. So it's got a one touch snap, and then you can take out your smartphone quite easily as well. So boom, out. Quite cool. Seems very high quality as expected with Spigen, and we've also got a suction cup here, and we've got lots of adjustments as well, so you can have it as you like. And then we've got two of exactly the same wireless headsets. These are the Legato Ox. They look pretty interesting. They've actually got a cable here, as you can see, which auto retracts as well, so it's going to be quite flexible and it should be quite comfortable around your neck. I'll let you know how I get on with these, and obviously they have sent me an extra one, so I will be giving that away at some point on my Instagram and Twitter. Now, I'm not going to do the traditional giveaway style. I'm just going to be picking somebody at some point who supports the channel and does not, keyword there, does not keep asking me to send them free stuff. So I'm just going to randomly one day, if I'm in a good mood, just pick somebody and just DM them and be like, hey, would you like some earphones? Just drop me your address and I'll send them over. That's what I'm going to do. I think that's a good idea. Nice one, Saf. Let me just give myself a pat on the back. Yeah, maybe that hibernation idea isn't so great. Otherwise, I'll probably be talking to myself more like this. Right, a few more packages. We've got this big black one here. Whoa, okay. This is, I think, a desk mat. Yes, it is a very nice looking desk mat actually. Wow, that looks and feels really, really nice. We've got some nice stitching here around the sides. And then we've got the logo here on the right-hand corner, which is ULX, and that stands for Ultra Links. So you guys may already be familiar with one of my friends, Oliver, and he runs Ultra Links, and they have lots of products like this, which are very sleek, very minimal, and I actually am very inspired by his taste in design. And we also have, I believe, a laptop sleeve. Wow, okay, very, very nice. So just looking at this here again, very, very high quality. We've got brown leather and the zip that goes around the sides. And we've got soft sort of furry material inside, ULX designed in London. Great for your MacBook or another laptop. I'm probably going to be using this with my Dell XPS 15. If you want to pick some of these up, once again, they will be linked in the description below. Thank you, Oliver, for sending this over. Right, we have one final box, so let's get it open. Oh, okay, it's from Moment. I've actually been very delayed in checking out Moment. They sent me this probably a couple of months ago, because there's been so much stuff that's been gathering up at the PO box. I've not actually got around to this. We've got two cases here, one for the Google Pixel 2 as well as one for the Pixel 2 XL, and then we've got two lenses. Now, for those of you guys familiar with Moment, they actually have some lenses that you can add to your existing smartphone, and they're going to give you some additional features such as a wide angle lens here, and then we've got a tele lens here as well. So firstly, I have to say the cases look very, very nice, very high quality. We've got this sort of wood effect here on the Pixel 2 case, and then we've got this sort of grippy material here on the Pixel 2 XL case. We've got some protection within the case as well, and then we have the lenses. Look at these, wow. And then these lenses actually attach quite easily onto the case just by putting them in and twisting, and then that's going to give you some additional options with your smartphone photography. So for example, this one is going to give you a super wide 18mm angle of view, and I know a lot of you guys have been asking me to check out the Moment lenses, so I'll definitely be checking them out with my Pixels and posting images on Instagram, so make sure you're following me on there to see what these things can achieve. And that's it for episode 18 of Unboxing Time. Lots of cool tech here. Remember, if you want to pick up anything that's featured in this video, it's all going to be linked in the description below, and if you want to send something yourself for the next episode, then that address will also be in the description below. I am trying to do these at least once a month because there's so much stuff coming in on the PO box. I hope you guys enjoy watching the Unboxing Time series as much as I enjoy unboxing all of this stuff. If you do, then definitely drop me a comment below to let me know, as well as a thumbs up. If you want to see more content like this, then be sure to subscribe and switch on notifications if you haven't already. This is Saf on SuperSaf TV, and I'll see you next time.